Hi, this video will cover installing GeoHelm. GeoHelm can be installed on Ubuntu 22 or Rocky Linux 9. The only caveat regarding installation is to be sure that the host name is set correctly. The installer will attempt to provision a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate as well as configure the services to use the certificate. So you want to make sure that the host name is set correctly for that. Okay, so to run the installer, we're just going to copy here and get this from GitHub as well, and go ahead and paste that in, and that will launch the installer for us. Select full installation and tab to OK. And at this point, we'll see the reminder regarding setting the host name if we intend to provision SSL. You can say continue if you forgot to set the host name, you can quit. And if you're just using the IP and aren't going to be using the SSL, you say continue. And here it will ask us, do we want the installer to provision SSL for us? And let's hit yes. And the installer starts to run. The installation time on Ubuntu is about 3 to 4 minutes. On Rocky Linux, it can take up to 15 minutes due to the source build required for OSM to PGSQL. On this VM, I have 4 GB of RAM, which is pretty much the minimum that you want to run this with. Okay, at the end we should see the success message here. The installation is now completed, SSL provisioning success. And now if we go to our URL, okay, and we should see the GeoHelm welcome page after the installation completes. And next video we'll take a quick tour of the welcome application as well as the control panel.